seeing the message. Your connection is not private in Chrome and not sure what to do next? Here's how to fix it safely in under a minute. First, pause. This warning means Chrome can't verify the security of the site you're visiting, and your data might not be protected. Start by checking your device's date and time. If they're wrong, Chrome can't validate the site's security certificate. Fix the date and time, save the settings, then go back to Chrome and refresh the page to see if the warning disappears. If you still see the warning, open the same website in an incognito window. This turns off extensions and uses a clean session. If the site works in incognito, but not normally, one of your extensions or cache data is likely causing the problem. Next, try clearing Chrome's cache and cookies. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Then clear data and reload the website. Still not fixed? Temporarily turn off your antivirus, firewall, or VPN. Then test the site again. Turn them back on right after testing. If nothing works, ask yourself, do you fully trust this website and know it's legitimate? If you're unsure, do not proceed. If you absolutely trust the site, you can click Advanced and then Proceed, but understand your connection may not be fully secure. Use these steps to fix most your connection is not private errors, and always put your online safety first before clicking through.